Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I would be breaking down my entire trading strategy which I used to trade in Q futures. This is not just a strategy breakdown video. I would be explaining my strategy with the perspective of the trade which I executed yesterday. This is not just a hindsight trade or anything. This trade was executed live on my YouTube channel. This is the only trading strategy I use on a daily basis to trade in Q futures. However, for trading gold, I have a different strategy. If you want me to reveal that strategy as well, please give a like to this video. If this video hits 100 likes, I would be revealing my gold trading strategy as well. Every day, I would start my analysis from the daily time frame. On daily time frame, I can clearly see that the order flow is bearish. How do I confirm that? Price is clearly respecting the bearish PDRAs. Price is respecting the daily fair value gap and the daily order block. Even though the price is bearish on the daily time frame, I would confirm my bias only on the 4-hour time frame. So now I will switch the chart to 4-hour time frame. Price has formed a change in state of delivery and has created a 4-hour fair value gap. So clearly the price is bearish. From here on, I would be looking for sells alone. I would be trading only after 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because this is when a 4-hour candle closes and a new 4-hour candle opens. So as you can see here, the 6 a.m. 4-hour candle has closed and a new 10 a.m. candle is about to open. Now that I have confirmed my bias as bearish, I would switch to 15 minutes time frame and look for trades. Before I switch to 15 minutes time frame, if you are planning to purchase any futures funded account, you can check out Lucid Trading Futures. This is one of the best futures platform. I am primarily trading with Lucid and I have taken quite a bit of payouts from them. You can go to lucidtrading.com and when you purchase, you can use the code Maxwell Trades to get 50% discount. On 15 minutes time frame, what I see is that the new 10 a.m. 4-hour candle has opened and price has manipulated towards the upside. Here the price has reacted from the 4-hour fair value gap which was previously created. It did not only reacted from the 4-hour fair value gap, it is also simultaneously a 15 minutes fair value gap. At this point, I am ready to trade and I would switch to 1 minute time frame to look for entries. On 1 minute time frame, price consolidated for a while, but later it gave us a displacement with an SMT. This is an A plus setup. After this happened, I waited for a 1 minute fair value gap reaction. As I expected, price formed a fair value gap and it reacted from that fair value gap in a while. As soon as it get reacted and got a down close candle, I entered the trade. I kept my stop loss at 60 handles and I kept my target at 180 handles, which is 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Now we can see my actual feed from the live stream. As you can see, price gave a hard retracement after I entered the trade, which was quite concerning. But after that, price rushed to the take profit in quite a few hours. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave a like to this video. If this video reached 100 likes, I would be revealing my gold trading strategy as well. If you have any doubts, you can leave in comments. See you guys in another video. Goodbye.